learn about the repulsion. So let's see the definition of repulsion. So if two dominant or recessive alleles in different but in homologous chromosome, they tend to separate into different gametes. So this is called as repulsion. So take chromosomes. So these are all pair of homologous chromosome, but here two different alleles, capital A and small b. Here small a, but the genus capital B. Okay, so this is different alleles but in the homologous chromosome. Different alleles but in homologous chromosomes. So this is the definition of repulsion. If two dominant or recessive alleles in different but in homologous chromosomes, they tend to separate into different gametes. This is called as what? Repulsion definition. The ratio of definition is what is otherwise the repulsion is called as transconfiguration. Otherwise called as transconfiguration. The ratio will be always that 1:7:7:1. The expected ratio is 1:1:1:1, but what they obtained 1:7:7:1. Let's learn the cross of this repulsion. Children understood the definition? Definition is very important and the ratio also is very important. 2 mark or even 3 mark question. So note it down. So at home, take your notes and put the cross and practice at home. Otherwise, it is very difficult. If 1 or 2 times, if you practice these crosses at home, it is easy for you to create. If you remembering that names alone, that is make you too easy. So here, that what it is, 2 different alleles. So here they are taking different alleles. So here the parent they are taking purple color with round. So purple color flower with round pollen tube. Similarly, purple and round pollen. It crossed with red and long pollen tube. Small p and capital L. So it is red flower with long pollen tube. So this is parent. While crossing two parents of characteristic feature, purple flower, round pollen and red flower, long pollen grains, then the possible gametes will be purple and purple and round pollen. Here the gamete is, so instead of two similar gametes are there. Instead of the 2, I am writing here 1. So here also both are similar. So instead of that, we are writing 1. So this is what again? Same. Purple flower with round pollen, red flower with long pollen. This is different. What we saw in that repulsion definition. So different alleles of homologous chromosome. These are different alleles but in homologous chromosome. While we crossing, so what is the progeny of F1? Generation will be the same we are getting here. So, and small p, long n. So here the dominant character is capital P, small p, which is dominant, capital P. So the progeny will be purple flower, and here L is dominant, so long pole and tube. Okay, so if again doing the F2 cross, so F2 here, what they are doing? F1 into test cross. F1 into test cross. So what is the F1 here? So F1 capital P small l and small p long. So here the possible gametes will be capital P, capital L, then capital P small l, then small p capital L, small p small l. If I am doing test cross, that is small p small l, small p small l. So take one gamete instead of that, small p small l. So what you will be getting, similar like what it is coupling, you will be getting the capital P, capital L, small p small l. See again, capital P small l crossing with this. Okay, this will be this, like that you have to cross and put this. Small p small l. Again small p long l, small p small l, small p small l, small p small l. So you know the what it is, physical appearance. So among that which is dominant, you have to write the dominant. So here the ratio will be, so this is opposite to the coupling. Here 6:44:44:6. This is the ratio they got. So if you are dividing this by 6, you will be getting 1:7:7:1. But actually what is the expected ratio is? So expected ratio is 1:1:1:1. So this is that is due to the linked gene. So linked gene do not assort independently, they do not recombine. So they are united, they are very close and they cannot separate easily. That's why we are getting the ratio of 1:7:7:1 for repulsion, and for compulsion 7:1:1:1. So don't forget